1.5 million pounds to buy the house.
Look at that.
Outright.
Oh, she's just right here now. Or he. Hey, Sketch. Hey, Sketchy kitten.
You can have your kitten food?
Sketchy kitten.
Just going to ask Dad. Yes, it's alright. You can eat the kitten food.
Good dad. You're a very good dad. Mum pissed right off.
Yeah, you really did.
I'm worried she didn't
She got
just
taken.
leave her kittens when they were so tiny, because they still milk kittens up until very recently. They're still milk kittens. I mean,
That's why they don't look kids anymore.
it's been like at least a month she's been gone,
Yeah.
so which means they're about a month and 3 weeks old, I'd say. So nearly 2 months old. Oh, there's another one. Sketch 1 and Sketch 2. Hello. So there's one kitten, there's Dad kitten, and there's another kitten. I'm not going to hurt you. Oh, brave. Look at this one.
They like the top.
Yeah, she's jumped up there.
That's what the kitten food's not been kept, is it?
And down she goes. Now she's gone to her dad. She's definitely brave. She's jumped up here.
Yeah.
Like right on me. There. Right in the corner. The other one's there. Have they got meat?
They've had it.
Ah, so that's just like kibble stuff they've got.
Yeah.
Kitten
It's
kibble.
just little kitten food. Knows he's had his. And
She's super brave. She literally just jumped up on that thing and like went there.
Yeah, because that's where that thing that she's eating now was.
Right.
They've had their meat, and then Osi came along, and then he had his meat, and then his milk, and then it's the. Then
Oh, my little head up.
they want their kitten food snack as well,
Yeah.
and then they want to sneak in here and eat Gia's food later.
Little faggots. Bye, kitty kitties. You're very gorgeous. Very pretty kittens.